We are of the belief, strong belief, that this is a continuation of the conflict between the Chancery Lane gang and the Spanglers gang, um, arising out of a murder that occurred on the 13th of November, where one Shaquille Cephas, who is aligned to the Spanglers gang, was shot and killed. And that's in the vicinity of Beeston Street and Chancery Lane. This attack was and is strongly believed to have been carried out by men aligned to the Chancery Lane gang. And since then, we have had counter reprisal resulting in 4 other persons, to include the 2 this morning being killed in that area.